Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon HDMI stick. First, connect your Fire TV stick directly into an available HDMI port on your television. Next, plug the small end of the USB cable into the Fire TV stick and the larger end into the power adapter. Then, insert the power adapter into a wall outlet. Finally, open the back of your Alexa voice remote and insert the two AAA batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Once your Fire TV stick is powered on, turn on your television and select the correct HDMI input. Your remote should automatically pair. If not, hold the home button for about 10 seconds until it connects. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred language. Finally, choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your password to establish an internet connection. With your Fire TV stick connected, use the circular directional pad and the central select button on your remote to navigate the user interface. To find new content, go to the Apps section, where you can browse categories or use the search function. Download and install your favorite streaming services, such as Netflix or Prime Video. You can also rearrange your installed apps on the home screen for easier access to your most used services. One of the most powerful features is Alexa voice control. Simply press and hold the microphone button on your remote and speak your command. You can ask Alexa to find specific movies, open applications, or control playback like pausing or fast-forwarding. Don't forget to explore the settings menu for display adjustments, audio options, and parental controls. For added convenience, you can also download the Fire TV app on your smartphone to use as an alternative remote.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.